and welcome to the Art of Cooking with Sally Gooden. I'm Wanda Threalkill, aka Sally Gooden. Today's recipe is going to be a breakfast quiche that you can use for brunches and for dinner. Our apron today was made by Victor Zamora. His title is Open Mouth. You will hear from him later on in the video. So here are the ingredients to the breakfast quiche. Okay, to begin our breakfast quiche, we're gonna first heat some oil in a pan, and you wanna saute some onions. I have red onions. You can use any type of onions you like. We're gonna saute these onions in our pan. I want them to get a little translucent. Also, we're gonna add red peppers. Let them cook for about 1 minute before I add the mushrooms. Now this is making the mixture for the quiche. This is your filling for your quiche. All of these things are put together and then they're placed into the pot shell. So let's add a little mushrooms is an option. I just think mushrooms will keep such a good flavor when you have them in there. You want to get them a little tender. You may want to also take the top. That'll help them cook a little faster. Getting these things soft, a little soft, not too soft, but a little soft. It's going to cook more when you put the quiche in the oven. Looking good. The aroma is delicious. I'm going to add, this is baby spinach. Saute. And all of these things are going to go inside our quiche. This doesn't take long for spinach to cook because it's going to wilt down, and then I'll add more spinach. And I got this on like a medium heat. You don't want it too hot because you don't want to burn it. Alright, so if you look and see that spinach is cooking down, vegetables are getting tender. Alright, this is our drainer we're going to use. We're going to drain as much of the juice out of your stir-fry mixture here as you possibly can. So And spinach holds a lot of water, so definitely want to try to get it out. This plate right here. We're going to be layering. We're layering this between the quiche and the meat that goes in. Continue to drain the water with juice of this mixture. So that we won't have soggy quiche. Okay, while our mixture of spinach and peppers and onions are cooling, we're going to whisk together the liquid base of the quiche, what makes quiche. So, you're going to need 6 eggs. You're going to kind of whisk them together. And it's almost like making scrambled eggs, but with a little kick to it, maybe. A little extra something to it. We're going to do about, I'm going to shake a little salt in here. This is sea salt. This is about 2 teaspoons of sea salt. And this is white pepper. You can use black pepper. This is something I had in color. So I'm going to sprinkle a little teaspoon of white pepper. And mix that in. And we're going to do a dollop. A dollop is just a little bit of your sour cream. Take just a regular kitchen tablespoon. Now, one more seasoning is ranch. I like the powder ranch. I'm just going to sprinkle to taste. A lot. I don't want to overwhelm. Just kind of sprinkle to taste. That was probably maybe a teaspoon or 2. And most importantly, I'm going to also have half. Now, if you don't have half and half, you can use milk. Some people use heavy cream, but I'm going to do half and half. And I'm going to say this is a 16 fluid ounces, and I'm going to do probably half of this. So that would be about a cup. So half and half. Now, just set this aside, because what's going to happen is you're going to layer your quiche once the vegetables are cooled. So we'll be right back in a moment. Okay, now that we're back and everything has cooled off, there was one important ingredient that I need to tell you about that you must have. It is a must. All quiches have cheese. So it doesn't matter what the types of cheese you want. This is a combination of Monterey Jack, Colby, cheddar, and Parmesan cheese. So it doesn't matter what type of cheese you use as long as you have some type of shredded cheese in your mixture. So now it's a matter of just layering the quiche a little at a time. We're going to start, I think, with a little of the cheese on the bottom. Hopefully it'll make everything stick because it melts. All right, and I'm going to take some crushed bacon, put it on there, a little bit, I'll do half of it right now. Then I'm going to take some of the spinach, vegetables, mushrooms, onions, peppers, spinach mixture, okay. And then I'm going to take some of this crumbled Italian sausage. I'm going to layer that on top. It's looking good already. Let's pour a little bit. I put the mixture inside this and pour so it'll pour easily. You're gonna pour a layer of the eggs as well. So we're gonna do 2 layers in this first one. All right, a little bit of that. Same thing. Go back with the cheese. Rest of the bacon. Some of this Italian sausage. Oh no, let's put some vegetables in there too. Then Italian sausage. I'm gonna put the rest of the vegetables. Italian sausage. Layer it with some of that egg mixture. Now the last thing I'm throwing is a layer of cheese again, because you want it cheesy on top. All right, there we go. We are ready for the oven. Make sure you place this on a cookie sheet. And I have a cookie sheet right here. You're gonna preheat your oven to 375 degrees and you're gonna bake this in the 375 degree oven for 14 minutes or until the center of the pie is set. Center of pie, you don't want it running, you want it to set. So, coming back in 40 minutes, and while we're gone, let's hear from that new artist with the mouth open, Victor Zamora.
Thank you for tuning in to The Art of Cooking with Sally Gooden. I am Victor Zamora. I painted this on one of her aprons. It's called Open the Mouth because the apron represents food and the mouth is the most important piece of eating. So click like and subscribe to Sally Gooden's YouTube channel called The Art of Cooking. Thank you and have a nice day.
All right, our quiche is ready. Before you cut into this quiche, you will need to let it set for about 15 minutes. So we're gonna let our quiche set for 15 minutes and then we're gonna cut into it, see what it looks like on the inside, and that's it. That's the end of our video. We show you at the end of the video how the quiche looks on the inside on the dish. And thank you for once again coming to the Art of Cooking with Sally Gooden. Don't forget, this apron will be available in the Shopify store very soon. And it's called Open Mouth.